Want your Squarespace site to feel expensive? Small design moves make a big difference. First, upgrade typography. Pair a refined serif for headings with a clean sans for body text. Scale your type, larger headings, tighter letter spacing, and more breathing room for paragraphs. Watch this before and after to see instant hierarchy and polish. Second, master spacing. Use generous margins and a consistent vertical rhythm. Add thin rules and subtle hand-sketched annotations to guide the eye. Third, simplify your palette. Limit tones to 2 neutrals and 1 refined accent. Replace saturated colors with muted variants to convey calm and cohesion. Fourth, elevate images. Use consistent crop, high resolution, and tasteful desaturation. Use white space and gentle shadows to let photos breathe and float. Fifth, polish micro details. Refine buttons, tiny animations, and aligned icons. Apply one trick at a time. Start with type, then spacing, color, and images. Your site will look expensive,